Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, we are in 15th chapter, that is Panchadasha Patha Manavta Dharma of entire Sanskrit. Till now you have seen introduction, and in this second video we are going to see first three slokas, meanings as well as translation and important words. So are you ready? Let's start. चलो हम शुरू करते हैं. First I am going to read the slokas and we'll see Sandhi Vigraha as well as if there will be any Samas word and Twan Levant Tuvant Abhyay forms, then we will discuss that. I highlight those words and so you can write it. Here in this chapter there is this explanation about humanism. So first sloka said, Yathaiva सकला नद्यः प्रविशन्ति महोदधिं तथा मानवता धर्मं सर्वे धर्माः समाश्रिताः. Once again see, यथैव सकला नद्यः प्रविशन्ति महोदधिं तथा मानवता धर्मं सर्वे धर्माः समाश्रिताः. Now see, first is a sandhi vigra. Yathaiva is actually the sandhi word, and the sandhi is yatha adhik eva. Yatha adhik eva. So this is very first sandhi. Second sandhi is sakala nadyah. This is also sandhi word. Sakalaha adhik nadyah. This is prathama bahuvachan. So sakalaha adhik nadyah. So nadyas visheshan is, means adjective is sakalaha. ये नद्या का विशेषण है. So these are the two sandhis. Now see its some meaning. First we'll see Anvay. The Anvay says Yatha, that is comparable word, Yugma Shabda Yatha and Tatha. You can say Yatha and Tatha here. So Yatha means just as. Yatha means just as. Sakalaha. Sakalaha means all. Nadyaha means rivers. All rivers. Mahodadhim, to ocean, that is object, to ocean, it is karma. Eva, eva means only. Pravishanti means enter. Pravishanti means enter, just as all the rivers enter to the ocean. Tatha, tatha means similarly or like that. Sarve dharmaha, all religions, manavta dharmam samasritaha bhavanti. Manavta dharma means that is humanism, the religion of humanism, or we can say humanity. Samasrita means resort to. Bhavanti. So similarly, all the religions resort to humanism. Now see, it's a translation. Translation says, just as all the rivers flow into, enter the ocean, all religions resort to humanism, means are united in humanism. Once again see, just as all the rivers flow into, enter the ocean, all religions resort to humanism, means are united in humanism. Means all religions are based, means the basic principles of all religion is humanism. They promote humanism itself, but later it convert in different opinion as per perceptions of people. So this is the translation of very first sloka. See, is a translation is very important because we have only two chapters for translation. First one is Vachan Prasansa and second one is Manavta Dharma. So ये श्लोकास का translation आपको prepare करना है. It is very simple and simply you can prepare. Now see, it's a translation in Hindi too. In Hindi language also I am presenting. जिस प्रकार सभी नदियाँ समुद्र में प्रवेश करती है, मीन्स जिस प्रकार सभी नदियाँ किसी न किसी उद्गम स्थान से निकलती है और फाइनली मीन्स अंत में समुद्र में मिल जाती है, उसी प्रकार सभी धर्म मानवतावाद का सहारा लेते हैं, मीन्स मानवतावादी होते हैं. ये पहला श्लोकास है और इसमें in this sloka the humanism is compared to ocean. Humanism is just like ocean and the religions are just like rivers. यहाँ पे ये comparison किया गया. I show you all the important means additional questions from sloka number 1, 2, 3 together. So now we are going to start. One more thing, Visheshan I show you here. Nadyah का विशेषण है सकलाः, नद्यः सकलाः, and here धर्मः का विशेषण है दो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ, that is धर्मः means सर्वे, that is in prathama बहुवचन as per gender and vibhakti as well as number of dharma, and samasrita also follows gender and number of dharma. Now second sloka. षड्जमूला यथा सर्वे संगीते विविधाः स्वराः तथा मानवता धर्मम सर्वे धर्माः समाश्रिताः. Once again see, षड्जमूला यथा सर्वे संगीते विविधाः स्वराः तथा मानवता धर्मम सर्वे धर्माः समाश्रिताः. Now say sandhi, that is, here is no sandhi, but samas word is very first one is samas, so I show you samas word. Shadbhyah jayate. If I take word shadja, then it is shadbhyah jayate iti. Then its samas will be upapat tatpurush samas. If I take entire word shadja mula, then it becomes shadjah moolam yesham te, and then samas will be bahubrihi samas. So this is samaswar here. Now we'll see anvay and meaning as well as transition. Then I will talk about visheshan. So first anvay. The anvay is sangite, that is location saptami ekvachan, means in music. Yatha means just as. Yatha ka meaning hai just as. Sarve means all. Vividhaha means various or different. Swaraha means notes, pitch. Shadjamula means the root or base on Shadja means Saregama etc. Bhavanti means become, means just as the all musical pitch based all musical pitch are based on 7 notes, that is 6 notes, that is Saregama. Tatha means similarly. Sarve dharmaha, all the religions. Manavta dharmam samasritaha bhavanti. Similarly, all religions are solely means completely united or resorted to humanism. ये भी वही बताया गया. Now see, is a translation. The translation is just as Shadja means Saregama, note is the root or the base of various 7 notes of musical pitch. All the religions are based completely on the philosophy of humanism. Just as Shadja Sa, note is the root or the base of various 7 notes of musical pitch. All the religions are based completely on the philosophy of humanism. Once again see, translation of second one. Just as Shadja means Saregama, note is the root or base of various 7 notes of musical pitch. All the religions are based completely on the philosophy of humanism. So this is the translation. And remember, while writing translation of this sloka, you must do put the such words which are in the bracket. While you are writing, keep in the bracket only, because you mentioning it Shadja, that is already written here, and 7 also not mentioned, so it should be in the bracket or base. So you can use either root or base, so no need to write both the words. Now see translation in Hindi. अब हिंदी में इसका हम मीनिंग देखते क्या है. जिस प्रकार षड्जा में सारेगामापा स्वर संगीत के विभिन्न 7 स्वरों का मूल या आधार है, उसी प्रकार सभी धर्म केवल मानवतावाद के दर्शन पर आधारित है, मतलब फिलॉसफी पर आधारित है. अब यहाँ पे if you see that the humanism is compared with that is Shadja, humanism is compared with Sarja, and the all religions, that is religions are compared to the musical, that is pitch, that is 7 notes से compare किया गया है. So उसी 7 notes पे ही, मतलब वो सर्जा से ही ये 7 notes प्रिपेयर होते हैं और म्यूजिक बनती है. उसी तरह से ह्यूमनिज्म जो है मानवता धर्म पे ही पूरे रिलीजन्स बना हुआ है, चाहे वेदर वी talk about Hinduism, Christianity और Muslims etc. बट सभी का जो रूट है, सभी का जो फिलोसफी है, बेस है, वो ह्यूमनिज्म ही है. So this is the translation of second one. Now the last sloka for this second video I'll take, and before that I give you Visheshan from this sloka. So here Visheshan is Sarja Mula Yatha Sarve. So here is Vividhaha Swaraha. So first is स्वराहा का विशेषण है, here is स्वराहा. So vividha is विशेषण of स्वराहा. And then next in the next line, that is sarve dharma. The sarve is विशेषण of dharma. More questions will discuss in the last moment after completion of third sloka. So let's start third sloka. First reading. एकीभूय यथा सर्वे वर्णा गच्छन्ति शुक्लतां तथा संभूय शंसन्ति धर्मा मानवता गुणम. Once again see, एकीभूय यथा सर्वे वर्णा गच्छन्ति शुक्लतां तथा संभूय शंसन्ति धर्मा मानवता गुणम. So first we'll see sandhi words. If there I can see 2 words are of levantabhe, so those forms also I highlight you. So this first one is eki bhuya is levantabhya. Eki bhuya, bhu se bana hua eki is upsargiya, that is actually made by the numerical adjective, or bhu is dhatu, bhu bhava, and levantabhya, and varnaha adhik gachanti is sandhi. Varnaha prathama bahuvachan, that is subject, and gachanti is verb of this. And the second line, sambhuya is again levantabhya. Here is the prefix sam, and bhu is dhatu, and levantabhya. So sambhuya sansanti, that is levantabhya. Now we'll see meaning of this one based on अन्वय. Now see अन्वय. एकीभूय यथा सर्वे वर्णाः शुक्लतां गच्छन्ति तथा सर्वे धर्माः संभूय मानवता गुणं संसन्ति. So I hope you know the Anvay. Anvay is important part to make a sloka in the sentence format to get the meaning easily. So ये sloka format में ये sentence format में आता है और इससे meaning समझना आसान हो जाता है. So what is here? एकीभूय. एकीभूय means together, come together. यथा means just as. Sarve varnaha means all colors. Varna means yes, colors, not letters. So just as all colors together, coming together, mixing together, and shuklatam gachanti. Shuklatam means white color. Gachanti means turn. So turn into white color. Just as all colors mix together and turn into white. Tatha means similarly like that. Sarve dharmaha means all the religions. Whether we talk about a religion, whether it is Hinduism, Christianity, etc., all religion, sambhuya means together, manavta gunam sansanti. So manavta gunam is samasvat manavtayaha gunam. Gunam is the virtue of, or the quality or the merit of humanism. Sansanti means praise. So similarly, all religions together praise humanism. ये इस श्लोकास में इसका मीनिंग है अन्वय का. नाउ सी ट्रांसलेशन. इसका ट्रांसलेशन आप चेक करो क्या है. जस्ट एज ऑल कलर्स गेट टुगेदर मीन्स कंबाइन एंड बिकम वाइट, ऑल रिलीजन्स यूनानिमसली praise human virtues means humanity. Once again see. Just as all colors get together means combine and become white, all religions unanimously praise human virtues means humanity. So here the religion is means humanism is compared to white color, and the all religions, other religions are compared to all various colors. सो वाइट को बताया गया जो शांति का प्रतीक है, विच इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ पीस, विच इज़ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ पीस. सिमिलरली द ह्यूमनिज्म इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मीन्स द दैट इज द रूट ऑफ और इक्वालिटी. नाउ हिंदी में देखो इसका क्या ट्रांसलेशन दिया है. जिस प्रकार सभी रंग मिलकर सफ़ेद हो जाते हैं, जब सभी रंग को मिक्स किया जाता है, मिलाया जाता है तो वो सफ़ेद बन जाते हैं, उसी प्रकार सभी धर्म एक स्वर से मानवीय गुणों अर्थात मानवता की प्रशंसा करते हैं. तो ये इसका ट्रांसलेशन है. सो टुडे ओनली we'll see 3 slokas. Rest slokas we'll see in next video, but I'm going to show you question answers related to these 3 slokas. First one is सी पूर्ण वाक्य न उत्तरम लिखा था. अगर ये श्लोका से आता है, इस तीनों श्लोका से. सो सकला नद्यः कम प्रविशन्ति, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट श्लोका. सकला नद्यः कम प्रविशन्ति. सो इसका आंसर विल बी, there is one correction, so let me do सकलाः नद्यः कम प्रविशन्ति. सो सकला नद्यः कम को रिप्लेस करो महोदधिम, दैट इज इन द्वितीय विभक्ति ऑफ पुल्लिंग. सो सकला नद्यः महोदधिम प्रविशन्ति एंड अंडरलाइन दैट. देन संगीते स्वराः कीदृशाः. संगीते, दैट इज फ्रॉम सेकेंड श्लोका. संगीते स्वराः कीदृशाः, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्वरा मीन्स द वॉइस or the pitch is in musical notes. So संगीते स्वराः षड्जमूला. संगीते स्वराः षड्जमूला. सो कीदृशा को रिप्लेस किया षड्जमूला एंड रेस्ट वर्ड्स, मतलब पहले 2 शब्द आपको ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में ही मिल गया. सो अंडरलाइन करना भूलो मत. नाउ थर्ड वन इज सर्वे वर्णाः कथम शुक्लताम गच्छन्ति. हाउ ऑल कलर्स टर्न इनटू वाइट. कैसे सारे कलर वाइट हो जाता है, सफ़ेद बन जाता है. तो कथम को रिप्लेस करना है एकीभूय. तो सर्वे वर्णाः एकीभूय शुक्लताम गच्छन्ति. सर्वे वर्णाः एकीभूय शुक्लताम गच्छन्ति. राइट. So these are the 3 questions based on the first 3 slokas. Remaining questions I show you when I'm going to show you remaining slokas. That means 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th slokas. So now the next type of questions we'll see here, that is संधि विग्रह. आपने संधि ऑलरेडी देखा है, फिर भी यहाँ पे संधि विग्रहम पूर्व पदम उत्तर पदम कुरुत, लाइक दिस वे दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड. तो भानुर्भुवन. इन दिस पार्ट फर्स्ट 1 to 6 are from sloka number 1 to 3. means first 3 slokas sandhis are given here. यथैवम is यथा अधिक एव, सकला नद्यः is सकलाः अधिक नद्यः, षड्जमूलाः अधिक यथा, सकलाः अधिक नद्यः, देन वर्णाः अधिक गच्छन्ति and धर्मः अधिक मानवता गुणम. So these are the 6 words which are given in the sandhi form. Now visheshan based questions we'll see. Again from 3 slokas I have collected the word. सकलाः नद्यः. सकला is the विशेषण of नद्यः. नद्यः is विशेष्य. सर्वे समाश्रिताः means धर्माः is विशेष and सर्वे समाश्रिता are विशेषण. सर्वे संगीते, that is just a minute, this word will not come, ये नहीं है, that is different विभक्ति है उसमें. So the next one is षड्जमूलाः और विविधाः स्वराः. स्वरा is विशेष्य and विविधाः and षड्जमूलाः are विशेषण. And सर्वे वर्णाः. वर्णाः is in prathama bahuvachan and सर्वे is also in prathama bahuvachan. So these are visheshan, vishesha combination taken from first 3 slokas. I hope you understood and it is helpful for you and for preparation of slokas translation as well as question answers. So keep on watching, do writing practice, do memorization, and daily basis you just revise the slokas and tables. That will help you to get good marks, full marks in the paper. So thank you for watching this video and keep on watching. Very soon I am going to upload next video.